Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up a MetaMask wallet as extension on Google Chrome. So let's start by entering metamask.io website. Here we need to download MetaMask for our browser. We are redirected to the official Chrome Web Store site, so we just need to add MetaMask as Chrome extension. Now we are redirected to the setup page. We are starting from scratch, so we need to agree with MetaMask terms, and after that click Create a new wallet. Here you are free to decide if you want to share this basic information with MetaMask. In next step, we need to create a password for our wallet. After you finished, check the box and click Create a new wallet. Here is a caution message, because if you're going to click Secure my wallet, you will see your seed recovery phrase. Before you reveal the recovery phrase, remember to store your seed securely, because it is a full access to your wallet and all funds you store there. If you have stored the phrase, click Next. In this step, MetaMask will check if you have access to your seed phrase. You need to put exact words in the boxes. I've drawn word number 3, 4, and 8. After doing this, click Confirm. Here you just need to click Done, then Next, and Done. And that's all. Now your MetaMask is created and fully functional. Go and enjoy the crypto world. So, that's the end of this video. Now if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.